Welcome to short and crisp algo trade training from Market Secrets. If you are interested in learning end-to-end algo trading, use the link in the description to join our ATP program. In this episode, we are going to learn how to get the details of the stocks that we are holding through the API. So through our script, we are going to get how much stocks that we are holding, what are the stocks that we are holding, and how much quantity, and all the other details like price, profit and loss, all those details, right? How to pull it. So this is for the holdings. It's not for the today's position, or it's not for the open position, or it's not for any intraday position. It is from our holdings. That is your long-term holdings that you will have, right? How to get the details of those holdings through script. That is what we are going to learn today. So let's start with scripting. Okay, so my holdings. Okay, it can be any variable, but I'm creating a variable my holdings. So now you need to use the my client API, and you need to use the positions API. Sorry, my client object and positions API, and you need to give the position type, what type of position you want to pull. So I want to pull the stocks that I'm holding, for long term, what are my holdings. Okay, and I'm just going to print my holdings. So if you do that, and if you try to run, you should be able to get the details of your positions. So if you look at here, right, you got success, and you got an average stock price at 970 rupees, and what is the stock? It should be Liquid Beast, because that is the only thing that I'm holding. Yeah, its instrument name is Liquid Beast, and the last traded price was 1000, and the instrument token, it's a unique identifier, and how much quantity I'm holding. That will also you'll be able to see. So where is it? Yeah, it's right here. And the stock balance we have 300. Okay, so we have 300 liquid Bs available with us. So that is what it's showing. So it's in the stock balance. Okay, so it's looking everywhere for it. So yeah, that is how you need to pull your holdings. So again, right, like we did in earlier episodes, if you want to print the stock list, you can use the similar format and print the list of stocks, price of the stocks, and also quantity of the stocks. So if you want a detailed report, you can prepare it on the go as well. So that's it for today. If you have any queries about this episode, leave it down in the comment section. Also hit the like, share, and subscribe buttons if you find this video useful. Thank you.